Has this ever happened to you? Maybe I should go outside instead of sitting in here on my phone. But I can't because it's too hot outside. Or this? Man, I'm so thirsty. I can't find any water. All my water bottles are empty. The reason why it's getting so hot is because of the constant contribution of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. About 51% or more of global greenhouse gases are emitted into the atmosphere by animal agriculture. It takes an abundance of resources to maintain and raise animals for food and products. Over half of the water in the US is being used for animal agriculture, whether it be for them to drink for watering the crops that need to feed them, or for cleaning the filthy factory farms. It takes about 683 gallons of water just to make 1 gallon of milk, and it takes over 2,400 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of beef. Animals raised in the US actually produce more excrement than the actual population of the US does itself. US factory farms produce about 500 million tons of manure each year. Because there are no animal sewage processing plants, this waste often gets stored in lagoons or gets sprayed over fields. Runoff from factory farms is the leading cause of pollutions in rivers and lakes. This can cause the groundwater to be contaminated. Farms often avoid this by spraying a liquid manure as they are causing a mist to be carried away by the wind. But the problem with this is that the people who live nearby the farms breathe in the toxins and pathogens from the sprayed manure. Many people contribute to the use of animal agriculture, thus adding to the negative effects that happen to the environment. As you may know, the reason why we continue to farm animals is because of how heavily we rely on their resources, such as dairy products, eggs, and meat. Think about that next time you eat cereal or take a bite out of those eggs and that cheese.
Animal grazing is one of the leading causes of deforestation. It also leads to land degradation, which sucks the soil of its nutrients and leaves it unable to be farmed on.
Demand in feed can also lead to monocultures, which gets rid of biodiversity and makes the plants susceptible to getting a disease and being wiped out entirely.
Deforestation is also a big issue, as many forests are clear-cut to make room for fields that are used to harvest crops for feed. The majority of crops that are used for feed are wheat, soy, and corn. Because there is so much livestock to feed, it makes the demand for crops higher, thus taking up more land and requiring more forests to be cut down. One way you could help out is by buying your products from local small-scale farms. Another way you could oppose this issue is by switching to an all-vegan diet, which takes out the equation of you having to use meat products.